Hello everyone, this is BOHS Clay. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a clownfish using orange clay to create its overall shape. Position the white clay to make 2 eyeballs, add black pupils, then roll the white clay into long strips, flatten them, and stick them on the body of the clownfish. Ensure that the white clay strips are securely attached to the clownfish's body, creating a realistic texture. Take care to accurately position the eyeballs and pupils for a lifelike appearance. Pull black clay into long, thin strips to make black pinstripes. Add on both sides. The clownfish is ready, then begin making the anemone. Remove the green color and add some black to create a dark green color. Prepare 2 shades of green. Rub the shape of multiple long water droplets and let them dry slightly on the side. This step is crucial. Create a base. I used blue, but other colors are also possible. Attach the anemone with hidden water droplets to the base and adjust the shape. After anemone is finished, we place clownfish on top and our clownfish is done. Tutorial for this episode is over. Thank you all. Bye.